Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to copy a watch list on Tradingview. A watch list is a personalized list of financial instruments, such as stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex pairs, indices, or commodities, that we want to monitor closely. It helps us track price movements, volume trends, and news for our chosen assets, all in one convenient place. We can quickly access our favorite symbols without searching for them individually. We can organize assets into categories or multiple lists. The watch list also lets us set alerts to stay updated about important price changes. We can use it to compare and analyze instruments side by side for better trading decisions. A watch list is a helpful tool for efficient trading and portfolio management. Now, let's go through the steps together. We will show you the easiest way to do this, so even if you are new, you can follow along. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Go to tradingview.com and press enter. When you reach the page, log in to your account. After logging in, go to Products. Under Products, you will find Supercharts. Supercharts is a powerful feature on Tradingview designed for serious traders who want advanced charting capabilities and faster analysis. Click Supercharts, and you will be taken to this section. Here, you can see market updates and movements. To copy a watch list, go to the upper right corner. You will see the watch list drop-down. Click the drop-down. At the bottom, you will see a copy button. Copying a watch list on Tradingview lets you duplicate an existing list of stocks, crypto, or other instruments, so you can organize your assets faster or share them with others. Click this button. Please note, only premium users can use multiple watch lists. That's it. Now we know how to copy a watch list in Tradingview. It's easy to duplicate our symbols and stay organized.